In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill text with an image using Canva. This is a fantastic design technique that can bring your projects to life with a creative and visually appealing look. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to canva.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. Those of you with an account can simply log in by clicking the login button found on the upper right corner of the page. Canva offers multiple ways to log in, so you can choose to use your Google account, Facebook, or your email address to access your account quickly and conveniently. Once logged in, you'll be faced with a dashboard of your projects. Here is where you'll choose the project you want to work with. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new design based on the size and dimensions you need. Otherwise, just open the existing project that you want to enhance with this cool text effect. Now, in order to fill text with an image, you'll need to use a Canva app called Font Frame. This is available in Canva's vast library of apps. To find it, navigate to the Apps tab on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type in Font Frame and select it from the results. This app is essential for our task today, as it makes placing images within text a breeze. With Font Frame at your disposal, go ahead and type the text you want to use. This could be a word, phrase, or anything that fits your design. After you've entered your text, take a moment to select the font and color that you think best suits your theme. Remember, the color you choose will be visible around the image area of your text. Adding a border can further enhance the visual appeal of your text. You can adjust these borders to make them subtle or bold depending on your style preference. This creates distinction between the filled text and the background. Next, it's time to choose the image you want to use as your text fill. You have the option to upload your own image or select one from Canva's library. To ensure it looks just right, you can adjust the image by simply zooming in or out until you're satisfied with the appearance within the text. And once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to complete your design. Simply click on Add to Design to seamlessly integrate your image-filled text into your project. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to make your designs more engaging using Canva. By following these steps, you can easily create stunning visuals that capture attention and enhance your creative projects. Enjoy experimenting with this technique and watch your designs stand out.